Hello everyone, it's December 7th. I am here for our countdown to Christmas story time. Today I'd like to read The Great Santa Stakeout. It's written by Betsy Bird, illustrated by Dan Santat. So we're on the 7th day of our countdown to Christmas story time. Pretty good. Okay, Freddie Melcher was Santa's #1 fan. He was the kind of kid who'd dress up as Santa for birthday parties, Valentine's Day, and even talk like a pirate day. Freddie had Santa posters, Santa action figures, and Santa underwear. He was even saving up to buy his own pet reindeer. But there was one prize Freddie desperately wanted: a photograph taken with Santa, fresh out of the chimney. Oh, it was risky. As every good kid knows, Santa only visits when everyone's in bed. It's awfully hard to sneak anything by someone who can see you when you're sleeping and knows when you're awake. That's why Freddie had to be extra good this year at hiding his plans. Step 1 in Freddie's plan: string the roof with cans so the sleigh can't land undetected. Step 2, rig the whole living room with motion-sensitive cameras. Step 3, put the milk and cookies on a pressure-sensitive plate. Step 4, practice staying up late. Doesn't look like he was too successful staying up late, does it? Finally, it was here, Christmas Eve. No one suspected a thing. Freddie was vigilant. It was almost midnight, and Santa should be here any second. Yeah. Any. Poor Freddie. Who can stay up that late? Crash! What was that? The cans on the roof? Freddie raced to the window just in time to see disaster. Something big rolled right off the roof. Freddie tore outside. What had he done? And there's a note from Santa Claus, and it says, "Nice try, Freddie, Santa." Santa had duped him and dashed. Can you see this? It was the statue or the decoration of Santa up on the roof that fell, not Santa himself. Freddie was angry? No, that's not it. Embarrassed? No, not that either. Was he sobbing his heart out, pounding the snow, having the most broken tantrum of his short life? Well, actually, Freddie felt fantastic. While other kids nestled all snug in their beds, Freddie had played hide and seek with his hero. He even had a note from Santa that he could add to his collection. So what if Santa got away this year? It's fine. Maybe it's for the best. Maybe no one can outwit Santa Claus. No one, that is, except Freddie. Hey, there's always next year. The end. The great Santa Stakeout. Well, he's got a good plan, this kid, and he's very enterprising. Okay, so let's get our glue and our cotton ball and glue Santa's beard onto December 7th, or the part of his beard. Here we go. 2 days into the second week. I like this Santa calendar. It helps me to remember how long it'll be until Christmas. Let's count, as a matter of fact. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 more days till Christmas. Well, I guess I could have done it an easier way, right? I could have said 25, take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 18. Okay, everyone. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow.